Thank you for your interest in our research. In this video, I will try to summarize how we are planning to next year in Istanbul within Tomorrow of Cities project. As in other cities, our main approach will be to materialize and implement Tomorrow of Cities decision support environment in Istanbul in the forthcoming months. In this presentation, we outline our approach in order to highlight the critical aspects of the methodology that will be applied in Istanbul. Our impact case study area is located in a place that covers approximately 500 hectares that is similar to Tomorrowville. And in the urban master plan of Istanbul, this area is assigned as development zone, meaning that this area can be urbanized in the near future. In the implementation plan of the area, it is clearly seen that the area is subject to urbanization in the future. So the question is, how are we going to plan this area for the future? For the future visioning, we will utilize local future visioning activities carried out by Istanbul Metropolitan Municipalities Vision 2050 study and Büyükçekmece Municipalities 2050 Vision study. As our approach includes a background from Tomorrow Cities legacy, there are certain aspects that differentiate from those local activities, but these are great opportunities for our work to build upon. As for activities, our main aim is to focus on perspectives of multiple stakeholders and understand what their district looks like and how they vision it for the future. One of our activities is, as we call, climbing the tower, in which our focus groups can have a panoramic view of their district and have a better visual comprehension of their urban environment. The focus group meetings will be comprising crowd mapping exercises, surveys and interviews. And our outputs will be a report that includes the future expectations, potential risk factors and policy formulations of different stakeholders, plus a special plan that answers which stakeholders want to see what and where. In addition to a special plan and its supporting document report, we will design potential future policies that will guide the urban planning process and its implementation. Based on the policies and spatial plans defined in Work Package 1, we will develop an urban scenario that represents today's urbanscape as it is. Then we will develop two different urban future scenarios based on, first, today's urban plans, and second, risk-informed proper urban plan in order to compare the implications of different scenarios. The output of our study will include a spatial database that includes an urban implementation plan, a building dataset, lifeline infrastructure dataset, household dataset, and individual dataset compiled in Geographic Information Systems environment. Then these datasets will feed into Work Package 3, where we will try to create novel information regarding hazard, social and physical impact assessments in line with the Tomorrow of Cities project's approach. Our initial approach will be focusing on earthquake hazard modeling based on vibration monitoring and borehole drill correlation plus geotechnical classification in order to create 3D ground motion modeling. And from the physical vulnerability perspective, our research aims to focus on risk-targeted structural performance assessment and modeling of dynamic properties of the buildings against earthquake hazard. In order for us to model social impact better, our research will be fed by focus group meetings, existing social vulnerability research, and previous social vulnerability research in Tomorrow of Cities Istanbul case. Moreover, we will rely on the intersectionality analysis, where understanding the intersection of vulnerabilities for decision making in disaster risk reduction in Tomorrow of Cities is aimed. After the impact metrics are assessed within Work Package 3, We will apply a risk agreement process where our stakeholders will weigh the impacts based on their importance from their own perspectives. For the initial iterations, we will utilize analytical hierarchy process that was also used in previous studies in Istanbul. As a result, these 4 work packages will be iterated until an accepted level of risk is achieved through urban planning process. Combined with rigorous monitoring, effective communication, and continuous capacity strengthening, we are aiming to showcase that such a methodology can act as the core of a decision-making process for a disaster-resilient urban context. Thank you.